If you had a boyfriend who humped a slut like Wendy Franklin in a certain place, let's just say the Laser Dome, would you really want to hang out there?
She's got a point.
Wouldn't you be a little wigged out by the idea that your boyfriend did things with this slut in the very same seat you could be sitting in?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Hey. I regret it.
You're so full of crap, Daniel.
What if I'm not?
Are you?
I don't think so.
Yes, thank you so much. That's great. All right, thanks. Sam, is that you? Hey, hold it right there, mister. Now, you know I don't mind if you don't come home right away after school, but you have to call me and let me know where you are.
Sorry, I was at Neil's house playing the Atari. I guess we lost track of time.
They got him that TV game? I thought they were waiting for his birthday.
I have to do my homework.
Okay, dinner will be ready in about an hour. Oh, and you have to get to bed early tonight. You have a dental appointment at 7 tomorrow morning.
What?
Yeah, Dr. Schreiber just called. He said he could fit you in early for your 6-month checkup.
Sam, did you take my Pink Floyd album?
No.
What's the matter? Why do people have affairs?
I don't know. Maybe they meet someone that they like better.
Well, you think Dr. Schreiber would have an affair?